If you're a cat owner, you know what I mean. Before we dive in, please like and subscribe for more fun facts. Cats vocalize for various reasons. First, they communicate with humans. Next, they express emotions, like happiness or fear. Some sounds indicate hunger or a desire for attention. Purring often means contentment. However, a meow can signify annoyance. Certain sounds even mimic bird calls. This behavior helps cats capture prey. Remember, each cat is unique. Observe your feline's sounds to understand them better. In summary, cats speak differently based on their needs. Next time you hear a weird sound, consider its meaning. Like and subscribe for more amazing insights.